Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. And Bitcoin is very funny, and I think that we're looking at Bitcoin trying to make new all-time highs and stuff like that. So basically, I have a feeling that something weird is still going on. I want to show you some few messages on Discord because Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is trying to act very smart. And I think that probably with Bitcoin, we're looking for a correction in the future and stuff like that. I do hope the Discord does load up a little bit. All right, so here it is. It's loaded up. Let's go to the private messages, and I want to show you some few private posts in here. And I started off with, I badly want to give you a Miro call, but looking at the whole market in general, I'm forced to hold back. Bitcoin is trying to make this small all-time high to attract more buyers. Seriously, Bitcoin? You have to do better than that. I know you're about to fall down, bruh. You're not dealing with the same 2017 Atom coins who is going to be attracted to this beautiful movement you're doing right now. Potato this post if you're on USDT. Understand this, Bitcoin is going to correct. With every single drop, you'll be happy being here. Most of the dudes out there will be losing. And that's just some few comments that I've done. And actually, the market has been dropping ever since we switched on to USDT. As you may notice that ICP is down, Ethereum is down. Probably your favorite meme coins are also coming down. And yeah, the thing is, Bitcoin is not moving. Bitcoin is still keeps making all-time highs and all-time highs. Like 1.5% drop. That's it, right? With Bitcoin. But unfortunately, you're making a movement to the upside. Now, for example, you're making this channel right now, but in the future, it does look like this channel is going to give up, and we're going to see Bitcoin dropping to 85K and then eventually dropping to $77,000. I know I've been saying this for so many times right now, and you guys might be thinking, okay, when is it going to drop? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But it does look like, based on what I'm looking at the charts, Bitcoin is probably going to just give up at some point and try to make some corrections to the downside. Now, no guarantees, nothing is guaranteed in here. But yes, then again, when I do look at Bitcoin and then I look at the RSI, it does look like Bitcoin will take maximum time of 5 January until the next move. Today is 17, so we're looking at maybe 20 more days. Actually, I will say 18 more days, and within 18 days we're going to see what happens. So if I do zoom out and if I do show you how the RSI is on the daily, then you can see that right here we do have this little bit of resistance coming up. So Bitcoin on the RSI is hitting that resistance, and Bitcoin on the chart pattern is hitting that resistance as well. So normally you do end up coming down to this support level, and you might actually Bitcoin down again to that support of 99,000, eventually lose it, and then fall down because you even have a wick down over there. All right, so the first wick was filled, and I'm actually going to get into the wicks because it's not clear right now. But yes, maximum time, at least on the RSI, figured out is 5 January. So until 5 January, we're going to see the next Bitcoin move come down like this, maybe break the channel and finally go down, because then again, the prices are going up and the RSI is moving down. What are we doing? We're making a bearish divergence. Now, at least for the sake of bearish divergence, I really have to give you a warning in here, because that's a nasty one. That's definitely a very nasty bearish divergence. Now, speaking of the wicks, as I told you before, we had this wick previously back in 5th of December. So 12 days ago, we had a huge spinning top right here, high frequency doji we call this, and the first wick, which was up right there, got filled. Bitcoin actually did fill it. Now it's time we do see Bitcoin coming down to fill 90,000. That's the biggest hint, right? At least for me, that's the biggest hint. We're going to see Bitcoin really dropping down. And there are so many things that have connect the whole dots. It actually leads up to a correction for Bitcoin. I don't see any other way around about Bitcoin. I don't see Bitcoin trying to push any higher and higher, but I could be wrong then again. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.